Hello everybody, Mike Brailswood, Brailswood Works. Thank you for joining me back on my channel. I appreciate it. So our first show of the year, not great. It was okay. But one of the things that we noticed is that big ticket items were not moving. They sat. We sold 4 birdhouses, which was down by at least 50% from the year before at that same show. And the sale of bowls was down. The big, more expensive bowls didn't move, and but smaller items were moving. So even though I'm not usually for it, I need to do something to get some low-end stuff just in case to help bail a show out. So my daughter thought that I could make some wine stoppers. So I bought some wine stopper hardware. I got a whole bunch of them on Amazon for real cheap. And I'm going to start making some with some scrap that I have. Some of the scrap that I have, I got a cherry burl here. This was actually a shift knob that I had made, and it turned out the threaded insert that was in there was incorrect. And I've been sitting on it ever since, and I've got 3 others as well as this one that are kind of, similar situation. So I'm actually going to take this shift knob and I am now going to change it into a wine stopper. So let's do that now. Well, there's one. I'm pleased with that. Okay, that's it for today. So it was nice that I had these 4 shift knobs that I had worked on, and they've been sitting around unused, and I was able to put them to good use. I was able to repurpose them and make them into wine stoppers. All right, this is not typically the kind of thing I like to do, but after the performance at the last show, we need to have something on the lower price scale in order to, to fill in any gaps in case, the big items aren't selling. So I bought a box of 100 of the stoppers on Amazon for $50, and I've got a lot of this small burl scrap that I'll be able to use for this, and I should be able to make quite a few for the shows, because these only took a few minutes to do at a time, so I'm happy about that. All right, thank you all for watching. So if you think you've gotten anything out of this, please click like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. Also, leave me comments, because I answer each and every one. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.